Hey guys, we're going to be doing the reverse grip barbell row. So you're going to want to find a barbell. It looks like this. Put on a weight that you can do with good form. Okay, so biggest thing here is you're going to want to grip it with your palms facing out. Go a little bit outside your body. Pick it up. You're going to want to bend a little bit in the knees, just a little bit. Bend at the hips, about 90 degrees if you can. First thing you do is get those elbows behind your back as you go up. 1, 2, 3, and up. 1, 2, 3, up. 1, 2, 3. Try to hit your belly button on that. It's going to go right here. Get those elbows. Try to touch the elbows behind your back. What that's going to do is going to give you a full contraction here. So just like that. Right behind. 1, 2, 3. That's the reverse grip barbell row.